Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematica. In this lecture, we will discuss what is a tangent and a normal to a circle at a given point, how to find equations of tangent and normal, and last we will see that if equation of a line is given and equation of a circle is given, how to judge whether that line is a tangent to that circle at some point or not. So let's start with definition of tangent. If some circle is given like this, then a line can either be like this, that it is not at all touching the circle, or it can be like this, that it is touching the circle at exactly 2 points, or it can touch the circle at exactly 1 point. So this line which touches the circle at exactly 1 point is called tangent or to the circle at this point. So let us have general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And the point, this point is x1, y1 on the circle. Then equation of tangent is given by xx1 plus yy1 plus g times x plus x1 plus f times y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. It is very easy to remember. You have to just replace x square with xx1 and x with x plus x1 by 2. See, x square is xx1, 2gx, it is 2g, x is replaced by x plus x1 by 2. So this term is gx plus x1. Again, same with y square changed with y1 and y changed to y plus y1 by 2. So we will get equation of tangent. Let's see example. Equation of a circle is x square plus y square minus x equal to 2. Find the equation of tangent to this circle at the point 1 square root 2. Let's see. So this is xx1, x square is replaced with xx1, y square replaced with y1, x is replaced with x plus x1 by 2. So this is the equation of tangent at point x1, y1. So we have to find at point 1 root 2. So we take x1 equal to 1 and y1 equal to root 2. So we get x into 1 plus y into square root 2 minus x plus 1 by 2 equal to 2, or x plus square root 2y minus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 2. Just multiply both sides by 2, we get 2x plus 2 square root 2y minus x minus 1 equal 2x minus x is x plus 2 square root 2y minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent. Now we will see what is normal and how to find its equation. So see, let's say this is the circle. This is the point x1, y1 at which the tangent is drawn, and this is the center of circle. Normal is the line which joins the center to this point at which the tangent is drawn. Point to remember is normal always passes through center, it always passes through this point, and it is always perpendicular to the tangent. Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. Let's see how to find equation of normal. We can use two different ways. First way is to find the equation of tangent and then using the property that it is perpendicular to tangent. And second way is to use the 2-point form of equation of line. Let's see the example. I will do the example with both ways. So let the equation of circle is x square plus y square minus x equal to 2. Find the equation of normal to this circle at the point 1 square root 2. So first of all, we use method 1. Why we use method 1? Method 2 is easier actually, but we are doing method 1 because sometimes equation of circle is not given and equation of tangent is given only. So then we have to use method 1 only. So in method 1 we will find equation of tangent first. So equation of tangent to this circle at this point is, we have found it in the previous example. Let's take it from there. It is x plus 2 square root 2y minus 5 equal to 0. That is x plus 2 square root 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So normal is perpendicular to tangent. So slope of tangent is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Since normal is perpendicular to tangent, so we know that slope of normal into slope of tangent has to be equal to minus 1. That is, slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent. And we have seen that slope of tangent is, here it is minus 1 by 2 square root 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 square root 2. That is 2 square root 2. So now we know slope of normal. Also, normal passes through the point that was 1 square root 2. So now we can use the point slope form of equation of line. That is, if a line passes through a point x1, y1 and have slope m, then equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So here we have 1 root 2, slope is 2 square root 2. So equation of normal is y minus root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 into x minus 1, or y minus square root 2 is equal to 2 square root 2x minus 2 square root 2, or 2 square root 2x minus y minus 2 square root 2 plus square root 2. So it would be square root 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal. Now we will do with the second method. So same example, second method. From the given equation of circle, we find center of the circle. So center of the circle is given by minus coefficient of x by 2 minus coefficient of y by 2. That is 1 by 2, 0. And the point is 1 square root 2. And we know that normal passes through center and this point. So we know that normal passes through center and this point 1 square root 2. Now we can use 2-point form of equation of line. So by 2-point form, what is 2-point form? If line passes through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So here equation of normal is, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Or I rewrite the next step, that is y minus 0 is y, that is root 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2y is equal to root 2x minus root 2 by 2, or 1 by 2y is equal to root 2x minus 1 by square root 2. Multiply the whole equation with square root 2, we get this is square root 2 by 2, that is 1 by square root 2y is equal to square root 2 into square root 2, 2x minus 1. Again multiply with square root 2, so we get y is equal to 2 square root 2x minus square root 2. So this is the same equation as we have got there, that 2 square root 2x minus y minus square root 2 is equal to 0. Here also 2 square root 2x minus y minus square root 2 is equal to 0. So you can use any of the methods. So method 1 is, if we are given equation of tangent, then we have to use precisely method 1. But if we are given equation of circle, then we can use any of the methods. So let's see with the help of MCQs how we can do it. You can just pause the video for 30 seconds and try to attempt this MCQ on your own. And then you can just see the solution. I have given solution with the two methods. First method is lengthy type of, which we have discussed. That is, replace x with xx1, y with yy1, 2 times x, that is 2 times x plus x1 by 2, y, that is y plus y1 by 2, minus 2 equal to 0. x1 is 2 and y1 is minus 1. So we get 2x minus y minus 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So we get here x plus x1. So this is x plus 2 minus y plus y1 means minus 1 by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Multiply by 2. So we get 4x minus y minus 2y minus 2x minus 4 minus y plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. That is 4x minus 2x 2x minus 2y minus y minus 3y minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 equal to 0. So that is, this option number 1A is correct. Otherwise also, we can just put x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 in the options. See, this point 2 minus 1 lies on the tangent. It will not give me the exact answer, but it can help me if I am able to cancel 3 of the options. So put x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 in first equation. We get 2 2s are 4, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7 minus 7, 0 equal to 0. Leave it. Move to the next. We get 4 minus 3, that is 1, minus 3, 1, 1 minus 7 minus 6 equal to 0, not true. 4 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3, 7, 7, 14 equal to 0, not true. Similarly here we get 8 equal to 0, not true. Since I am able to cancel 3 of the options, then I can tick first one. Okay, so in this method when we are putting points, we can't tick any of the options, but we can cancel. If we are able to cancel 3 options, then the fourth one is obviously correct answer. Next question. Again, I will tell you the lengthy method as well as the shortcut. So equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Equation of normal at the point 2 minus 1 is. Again, I will ask you to pause the video for 30 seconds and try to do it on your own. Then again, let's see. Center of this circle is 1 and 1 by 2 and the given point is 2 minus 1. So equation of normal in 2-point form is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That is, y minus half is equal to minus 1 minus half is minus 3 by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 into x minus 1. Multiply both sides by 2. We get 2y minus 1 equal to minus 3x plus 3. Or 2y plus 3x minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 equal to 0. That is 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So B option is correct. Now let's try with the shortcut. Just put the point 2 minus 1 here. If we put the point 2 minus 1, 3 2s are 6. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 4, 4 equal to 0. Not correct, cancel. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. I already told you that you don't have to tick the answer. You have to cancel the options. 3 2s are 6. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 4 12. Not correct. Last 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 2 4. 4 plus 4 8. So 3 options are cancelled. Fourth one is correct. Next we will do condition of tangency. Equation of circle is given x square plus y square is equal to r square. Equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. This straight line is a tangent to a circle if c square is equal to r square into 1 plus m square. This is the condition. You can remember it like this. Just write c, m and r alphabetically. C comes first, then comes m, then comes r. Put a square on each of these. Add 1 to the center one. Multiply these two and put a equal to. So let's see example. Equation of a circle is x square plus y square is equal to 9. So comparing equation of circle with the standard form, that is x square plus y square is equal to r square, we get r is equal to 3. Again, equation of straight line is 2y plus 3x equal to 6. We have to convert it into the form y is equal to mx plus c. So it is 2y is equal to 6 minus 3x, or y is equal to 3 minus 3 by 2x. So m is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we see the condition of tangency, that was c square is equal to 1 plus m square into r square. Let's see the left side. C square is equal to 3 square, that is 9. 1 plus m square into r square, that is 1 plus m is 3. 3 square is 9 into r is minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 square is 9 by 4. So this is 10 times 9 by 4, that is 45 by 2. So clearly c square is not equal to 1 plus m square into r square. Therefore, this line is not a tangent to the given circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to 9. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.